Hi guys, happy Planner Wednesday, and today's spread is going to be from January the 8th through the 14th. And let me show you what we're going to be doing. A viewer suggested that I do Edward Scissorhands for my next planner since that was my Christmas gift. I said, sure, that's a great idea. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I got this paper at Michael's, and it looks to me just like his outfit that he was wearing in the movie. And then I have this washi from Target's Dollar Spot, and I just made my stickers, and I'm going to be using one of these black Dollar Tree pens. So let me go ahead and cut my paper. And I've decided I want this to be the dominant paper, this right here. Okay, let's take our pages out. I'm glad everyone loved my Rome, Italy spread from Roman Holiday. I loved it. Okay. Let's just lay this out like I want it. I really do love this paper. It is so pretty. Okay, let's start putting our paper down. Okay, I think that is really going to look good. Okay, now let's put our washi down. To me, this washi almost looked like shredded paper or just and I might take some down through here too. Because this really sort of reminds me of how you would think his hands would cut things, but yet he did so beautifully with, he could cut the shrub so pretty and the hair and everything. And then every time he tried to touch somebody, he ended up cutting them. And to me, I wanted some of that red to show through. But it's a sweet movie, but it is so sad, I thought. Okay, let's put our stickers down. Here's his fingers, his hands. I'm going to put them right here. And I think I'm going to put him right here. And then here is Vincent Price giving him his hands, but he didn't live long enough to put them on him. I think I'm going to put them right there. And then the lady that found him when she brought him home, that was so funny. We'll put her right there. And then when he's trying to eat with those hands, let's see, like that. Put this one right here. I think I'll put this one right here. And then when he was brought to school for show and tell, I about cracked up. I thought that was so funny. And then her when he was making the snow and she was dancing in it. I thought that was just sweet and gorgeous. Put her right here. And then this is hard to see, but I wanted to put it in here anyway because this is when he's actually carving the snow angel. I'm going to put that one right there. And here is when he's hugging her. Put that right there. And then I think I'll put when he kisses her towards the end, I'm going to put that right here. And then this one, where she's trying to help him with his complexion. That was so funny. And he just sat there so nice, calm. I think I'm going to put that one right here. Okay, now let me write a few things down. Okay, let me put it back into my planner and we'll take a look at it. Oh, I really do think this turned out nicely. I love it. It gives just the feeling that I was going for with the black and the white in his suit in the pictures. I love this paper. I really do. I had a coupon for 20% off regular price and sale price items. So I got the paper and I'm really glad. And like I said, the washi came from Target's Dollar Spot and then I made my stickers. But I really do love it. I think it gives you a good feel for the movie. It's almost like his scrapbook. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.